Changing bank details in Deliveroo is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can change bank details in Deliveroo. Well, the process is pretty simple. In order to do that, as you guys can see, I'm at my Google. You have to be at your Google as well. And there you have to search for change my bank details and then simply search for, Deliveroo. So I'm just going to search for that. And there you go. These links should pop up. Now here you just have to go to the first link which you say, how do I change my bank details? Which should be delivery riders. Now here, as you guys can see, this article just popped up. Now, according to this article, as you guys can see, in order to do that, you need to fill out this form. So just have to click on this link and it will take you to this form. Now you just have to start filling out this form. Suppose you want to change the bank details and then you have to type in your name, you have to enter your details and your form will be submitted and your bank details will be changed after confirmation. So that's pretty much it. That's how you'll be able to do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.